If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful diagnostic scanner that can handle ABS and SRS systems like a pro, today's video is for you. Let's take a closer look at the Foxwell NT630 Plus. The Foxwell NT630 Plus is a professional-level OBD2 diagnostic tool designed especially for ABS and airbag system diagnostics, along with full engine code reading. Key features: the innovative NT630 Plus ABS and airbag reset tool with SAS function offers extensive vehicle coverage, along with precise professional-level diagnostics for ABS and airbag systems. Designed for accuracy and reliability, the new NT630 scanner is the ideal tool that professional mechanics have been waiting for. Reads and clears fault codes to reset ABS and airbag warning lights. Displays detailed ABS live data, including individual wheel speeds, ESP sensor information, brake assist data, and CAN signal readings. ABS manual control tests enable direct actuator control to test ABS motors, solenoids, solenoid-enable relays, electronic parking brakes, EPB, EMB, and more, ensuring accurate diagnosis and reliable repairs. Actuator tests enables manual control of various actuators to test AYC valves, inlet and outlet valves, pump motors, and trax valves. Auto bleed test, automated bleed, service bleed. Automatically removes air from the internal brake fluid chambers after servicing, ensuring optimal brake performance. Steering wheel angle sensor, SAS. Reset. The steering wheel angle sensor, a key part of the vehicle's stability control system, is typically located on the steering column beneath the steering wheel. It provides SAS calibration for over 35 vehicle makes. If you need a reliable, easy-to-use diagnostic tool focused on engine, ABS, and SRS systems, the Foxwell NT630 Plus is a solid choice. It delivers professional features without professional pricing. Thanks for watching.